It feels like the world is becoming more complex and the challenges we face are getting harder. Science offers some solutions, but science alone doesn't change the world. We need to combine discovery with solutions and action if we want to build a healthier future for everyone. That's why last year we invested £1.9 billion, around $2.5 billion in understanding how life and health work, from the molecular level to the society level, and in tackling urgent global challenges, mental health, infectious disease, and climate and health. But we also invested in policy and influencing work. Science is great, but unless we can put discoveries in the lab into practice for the people who would benefit from them, it hasn't really fulfilled its potential. We need to move from inventions to innovations. That means talking to governments, to businesses, and to other non-profits about how we get treatments into real-world healthcare. It also means highlighting how we prevent problems in the first place, through immunization, better mental health well-being, or limiting the damage caused by climate change. Following government cuts, there are critical gaps in the system that supports the world's most vulnerable. In the short term, this is a crisis, a big crisis. In the long term, we need to find a way to create a global health system that's efficient, robust for the future, and crucially, driven by the needs of the people it's intended to benefit. In our annual report, there are many examples of potentially life-changing discoveries that we've supported. One example, plague is an infectious disease that can kill. We have a treatment against it, but it requires an injection. This year, in Madagascar, a trial we supported proved that a simple oral antibiotic treats the plague just as effectively as the injection. It sounds small, but it means care can move out of hospitals and directly into the rural communities that need it most, improving access and cutting costs. But again, for discoveries like this to make a difference, we need the global health system to be fit for the future, sustainable, and work for the people who need it most. In the last year, we've worked with partners around the world to spark debate about options for radical reform to get a more equitable, effective, and efficient global health ecosystem. This year, I'll be continuing to highlight this pressing issue. The world may be uncertain, but we at Wellcome are continuing to work for a healthier future for everyone.